Microsoft 365 Copilot is here to transform the way we work, offering intelligent assistance across popular Microsoft applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, and PowerPoint. Let's dive into how this AI-powered tool can revolutionize your daily tasks and elevate your productivity. Microsoft Word has always been the go-to tool for document creation, and with Copilot, it's now smarter than ever. Imagine drafting a report where Copilot helps you structure your content, suggests edits, and even summarizes lengthy sections. Whether you're writing a business proposal or crafting a blog post, Copilot ensures your documents are polished and professional. Excel is a powerhouse for data analysis, but it can sometimes be daunting to navigate complex datasets. Copilot steps in to simplify the process. It can analyze your data, create insightful charts, and generate comprehensive summaries. Need to identify trends or make data-driven decisions? Copilot's got you covered, turning raw data into actionable insights effortlessly. Managing emails and schedules can be overwhelming, but not with Copilot in Outlook. It helps you prioritize important emails, draft responses, and even schedule meetings. By automating routine tasks, Copilot ensures you stay on top of your communications, making your inbox manageable and your day more organized. Creating engaging presentations can be time-consuming, but Copilot in PowerPoint simplifies the process. It assists in designing layouts, generating content, and ensuring your slides are visually appealing. With Copilot, you can focus on delivering impactful presentations while it takes care of the details. Microsoft 365 Copilot is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for productivity. By integrating AI capabilities into your favorite Microsoft applications, Copilot enhances your efficiency, creativity, and accuracy. Embrace the future of work with Microsoft 365 Copilot and unlock your full potential.